Hi there, this is Marcos Filipe, and I just wanted to explain a concept in front-end development that I believe is the most important. This is componentization. When you first get to learn front-end development, it's very common for you to start writing repetitive code. That is because you're going to repeat the same HTML structure, even the same CSS class. For example, imagine that you have a website with 3 buttons. All of those buttons, they look the same and they behave the same. So if you write like raw code, you're going to repeat the code like this. In this example, I have the same CSS class, I have the same behavior, so they will probably look the same. One solution for this problem is to have a JavaScript method so I can create those buttons and they will behave the same. So I write less code. This is basically a JavaScript component. What I have here is in my function, create button, I will take the label because that's what changes from one button to another. So I can append to my HTML structure as many buttons I need that look the same without having to repeat the code. This is a good solution, but it can get even better. The best solution would be to have a framework like Angular. Because when we have frameworks like Angular, you already have like the structure, the architecture, all the features that you need so you can code a better and more consistent front end. You can create your own framework yourself for your team, but having a full-fledged framework built by yourself will probably impose a learning curve that you don't need. Instead of that, you can get to a framework that is well known, that's easy to learn, and that many developers also know this. So this knowledge can go from one team to another team and they will all look the same. Having components in your front end makes your code cleaner, easier to maintain, and also your project way more scalable.